Silapha leaders, silapha eMthatha leaders. Lapho sikhoyo. Lama foreigner lapha ayathutha leaders. Ilizwe lethu leaders. Yanyanzeleka bepakishini. Fichane ne-KSD municipality. Nathi KSD umasipala walapha hlobela nyeke ngalo when it comes to foreigners. Nazi leaders. Siyapaka. Feel operation to do eMthatha. Feel operation to do sithe sizosebenza apha khaya sithi sizodlala umasipala walapha into ayenzayo kuthiwa ubetha onozitendi uthumela amapolisa kubetha omama bethu apha ezitratweni abantu abazihluphekelayo leaders silapha ngoku ababambe into abayenzayo basebenzisa i-justice system wrongo ngoba into eyenzekayo babamba abantu bethu funeka abantu bethu bawukenza ilanto awufuna imali zebhayili bathini yonke loo nto leyo and ke ngoku ayizukwenzeka silapha ngoku for uzonceda abantu bethu. Good morning commanders. Khale sisatana sisahamba sakwezinye izitendi. We don't have the whole day here. Please leaders asinamini yonke apha.
Khalesan
Ikwejamali bheke ndanji Ikwejamali bheke ndanji Jamali bheke ndanji Ikwejamali bheke ndanji Ikwejamali bheke ndanji Ningalibulali silapha leaders silapha posikhoyo silapha country yethu le kuthiwa kuyakhatywa abantu abo amapolisa laba khaba osisi bethu no brother bethu apha ezitendini sifuna bazosikhaba izani amapolisa aseMthatha kuthiwa irifu zenu nizipolitsha ngoodade bethu apha izani izozipolitsha ngoku silapha posikhoyo siseMthatha abantu bethu apha bangena bephuma apha esiseleni ngenxa kamasipala waseMthatha aba bokufika bazenzela bazidapela naba kuyanyanzeleka ntongo bakhi drugs ke apha drugs abantwana bethu kuthiwa ngomarazo ngomasipala walapha ovumela i-drugs bazingene apha eMthatha amapolisa kuthiwa khaba abantu eMthatha sifuna uyibona irifu amapolisa hayi le mbanqo ewe zeningoyiki hayi le ngalewe zeningoyiki hayi le mbanqo ewe sikhwela amapolisa thina hayi le mbanqo ewe sikhwela amapolisa thina hayi le mbanqo ewe Siyadiliza uMthatha leaders siyadiliza ixesha liphelile ixesha guys, if you want us to come back, we'll come back and help you, but at the moment help yourself quickly. Hayi
kaloku uyasibuka ngoku yazazi masizesihlanga hey sonikundijonga nganathi
silapha leaders
pack your things and go.
Uba you can't park, I'll help you. If you can't park, we'll help you. We'll help you.
Abafuna umbamba ke ngoyezandla.
Azopakisha sisi.
Mayenzeka lokulento.
Akapakisha ngoku.
Start to fight them.
What do you mean?
Start to break your thing.
I will park. Why you?
I will kick this thing down.
No.
Start to park.
No. Start to park. I say I will park. Start to park.
We don't have time, Mama. We don't have time, please. We don't have time. We don't have time. We don't have time. We don't have time.
I'm going to park.
We don't have time, guys. We don't have time. That's the thing that.
I'm going to park. I'll continue. to work here.
Which paper do you have? Which paper do you have?
I will pass. Are you immigration? Are you working?
Which paper do you have?
Immigration to come.
Which paper do you have? Did immigration ask you? Did the immigration give you the paper to sell here?
Are you selling? Are you working?
Did you invest here before you sell? Did you invest here in South Africa 5 million before we have a paper?
What do you mean about hawker?
You must to do a business here in South Africa. You must invest first. You can't just come and do business here because Prof, we want you to do business here.
About immigration.
No, pack your thing and go.
You are not immigration.
You are clever in the wrong country. You are clever in the wrong country, Sisi. You are very clever. You are clever in the wrong country. This is the wrong country. This is South Africa. It's not a Munangwakwa or whatever.
Officials, but you cannot ban the will of the people.
You are talking about
You bribe immigration and you come and tell us that we are not immigration. Jean, you are clever in the wrong country, Sisi. If you are clever, you're supposed to be clever in the wrong country.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosase Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Operation Dudulane MKE Bela Pane Eastern Cape Mthatha iqosha ama foreigners lathengisa lapha eMarket. And guys, like I'm so shocked, like I'm really shocked. Lende ma foreigners singayithatha kancane, but ma foreigners they are everywhere in every province lekhona la South Africa. Kukho la ngeke uzubathole khona basempumalanga, base Eastern Cape, KZN bakhona, eGauteng bakhona, KwaZulu Natal bakhona. Guys, kukho la ma foreigners angekho khona. It's even shocking yathi mangibona ukuthi Operation Dudula busy abadudula lapha Eastern Cape. I was like, hey bo, kana se Eastern Cape bakhona. Hey bo, my foreigners, they are taking over in South Africa. They are really are taking over in South Africa everywhere. La babona kona ebugune space or la babona ngazuthi bangadipesha kona or bayadipesha. And I'm just asking myself ukuthi kusho ukuthi kuqala kutelwe wana check i-coast check ukuthi kunjani abete bo brothers bakhe bo cousin bo sesi bonke abananze baqinise baqwala akulenza ole because lenza ukubona ukuthi laba bayadana. These are family members from Ezim. Balanzane bonke baze baqine baphelele bonke seba ku same province. Badudula ke lapha eMarket bathi ma foreigners they must fall. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.